Discretion advised.
That is my eBay store, West Tennessee Finds. And that is somebody being funny. But since I sent his package to Something Happened to Frank, I have no room to complain. I haven't got the video out yet, but I sent something. Our packages crossed in the mail. Except I forgot to put a note in mine, so God knows what he's going to think of it. Okay, we got bubble wrap. This is well packed, by the way. I don't know why I was not expecting it to be so well packed. Look at that. I mean, seriously, he's sending me a used part. Man, oh, look at that. It's like printed. Dude's stepping up his game. I dig the banter we have on the streams. I'm glad you dropped your address on that video. Tell Bob I said what's up, meow. I hope you like this token of my appreciation for your continued support of my channel. Your friend Scrapping. Oh, it even has his logo on it. That is. And the man knows enough to use residue-free painter's tape. Maybe he watches my channel. I'll check this out. Assuming I can get the tape off of it. I got a Team Shtf keychain. That is cool as fuck. I can't say that, can I? That is cool as hell. That's not much better. Oh well, I guess I'll have to put my mature language warning on this video. Yes, I am. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot what the package was about. The package was about this, not that. I got so excited that I got that, I forgot about this. I was fixing to close the video and I ain't got sense God gave a piss hand, I tell you what. Anybody know what that is? Besides the person that sent it to me? These are the doors to a Nintendo Wii. And I believe this one is broken on mine. So we will have a fix it or fail video on my Nintendo Wii. And hope to God we don't fail. Now, I gotta thank Xanax Farms, or Xerxes Farms, or something that started with an X Farms that I can't pronounce. Xenophobia Farms, for this. Oh, I was wondering why it had that weird looking spot on the back of his neck, and that's where Scrapping, Hoarding, Tinkering Fun put his mark. So it's one of his counter-struck $half. I cannot win those giveaways of his because I cannot spell any state more complicated than Utah. And he never draws a Utah or Ohio. So there we go. This lady was nice enough to send me hers. So that's going to go in the collection. I'm not sure whether to use that or just kind of put that up. I'm thinking maybe we should put it up. I appreciate that. That was so cool. That was unexpected. That was expected and still appreciated. That was unexpected and somewhat confusing. Thank y'all. Appreciate you watching. Man Mountain link out. Check out Scrapping, Hoarding, Tinkering Fun if you haven't already. Links above. Well, then again, a 2-second fix it or fail video would be kind of redundant. So here's the broke one. And There's the hinge holes. Here's a good one. Put it down in there. Close it. And I'm going to gently press till it clicks. And thank you, sir. That's what I get for rushing. See, I had forgot that the other doors broke also. I'm glad I asked them to send both of them. This one's worse. This one actually has the hinge left in it. So we're going to see if we can get that out. And we did. And it should be the same. Well, that's the garbage one. Make a good one. Should be the same technique here. Just put it in the hole, close it, and come on. I don't think this hinge right here has set. There we go. Just in time. Well, let me get the phone and we will holler at y'all later. Man Mountain Link out. Man Mountain Link has once again totally outdone himself.